traveled to 3 different countries, the jungle of Benin and Indonesia, the desert of Algeria, and met a friend in each country. Biji in Benin, Fatima in Nigeria, and Danao in Indonesia. They told us about their lifestyle.
We decided to take some presents to give them with the most important things for us, a PlayStation, internet, and freedom. But we realized that the PlayStation and internet were not necessary for them because they had no convert, and they were happy without them too.
We learned many things from the culture, and we also realized that many things that we thought were important from our culture, perhaps are not so important. They can bring us happiness.
The world is not balanced. We have things that we don't use, and they don't have any of those things.
They have to work to help the family, to survive going fishing, helping their mother or father to support the family, etc. And the only thing we have to do is to study and be a nice person.
Each country has established a scale of values. Some worship the earth that gives them all they need to live without transforming it, while other like ours have developed technology to extract and transform the earth's resources.
Are we responsible for it? 25% of the population of the world consumes 75% of its natural resources annually. This means that 75% of the population consumes only 25% of its natural resources annually.
This 25% of the world's population live in relative comfort and consume a huge percentage of the world's resources. These people have houses, cars, TVs, air conditioners, and so on. They have many different sets of clothing and spend a lot of leisure activities, and they consume highly processed and packaged foods.
Yes, they create a huge amount of waste and pollution and consume more than half the natural resources and the whole world uses every year.
Could we help them to have an easier life? What could we do? They need access to doctors, medicines and treatments. They also need access to education and to drinking water. They only need opportunities.
If we want to live in a better world, we have to actively try to make it better. We should help them have supplies, food and education.
I think we have learned that a personal lifestyle is based on consumption. Should we think about it before we buy more unnecessary things? Or before we waste things?
Will the world be a better place if we care for the others and for our natural resources?
The best ways to protect our natural resources are reduce, reuse, and recycle.
It is very important if we all do our part to conserve, preserve, and care for the earth resources.